Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking about the benefits of starting your day with a protein shake. Whether you're an athlete, fitness enthusiast, or just trying to maintain a healthy lifestyle, a protein shake can help you achieve your goals. In this video, we'll discuss the effects and benefits of incorporating a protein shake into your morning routine. Increased muscle growth and repair. Protein is an essential nutrient for muscle growth and repair. Consuming a protein shake every morning can help provide the body with the necessary nutrients to promote muscle growth and repair. Increased satiety. Protein is also known to promote feelings of fullness, which can help reduce overall calorie intake throughout the day. This can be especially helpful for those looking to lose weight. Improved recovery. Protein can help improve recovery following exercise by reducing muscle soreness and promoting muscle repair. Improved immune function. Protein is necessary for the production of antibodies and can help improve immune function, reducing the risk of illness and disease. Increased metabolism. Protein can help boost metabolism, which can lead to increased fat burning and weight loss. When making a protein shake, it's important to look for high-quality sources of protein, such as whey, casein, or plant-based proteins like pea or soy. Additionally, be sure to choose a protein shake that is low in added sugars and other additives. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more health and fitness tips. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. See you in the next video.